guys, this is Jared. This is Plan D. We're taking the 7.5 diff out of the Mustang. I'm going to show you guys swapping an 8.8 with rear discs, which is actually quite simple. It requires 4 link connections, brake line in, removal of the e-brakes with some nice snips. Because this is horseshit.
What the fuck are you doing, Jaden?
Works way better than trying to walk backwards, retard. Why would you want to walk backwards? There you go, you got the muscle it out.
Yeah, we're getting a lot of weight savings by converting to an 8.8. The 7.5 is so much lighter. This 4x4 fucking action right there. Okay guys, so we already cut these spacers, which are really hot right now. And they're not cut straight, but I don't really give a shit, because it'll do the job that I ask it to do. I'm gonna grab some vice grips, lock up on that, because we don't have a fucking bench vise anywhere to clamp anything good. So I'm just gonna grip these with some vice grips, and then put a little bit of a bevel on it, clean these up, and then we'll install them on the car. Do you remember? Do you remember? Do you remember? Remember berries, man? Okay guys, so as you can see, fucking get up in there. Yo, one of you guys flash the light.
I'll try to get some on my fingers so it's
Fucking. So I had a welded diff.
Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but that is chunks of fucking metal. So yeah, she's done.
Yeah. This was actually done by a professional welder
We
too.
welded it right here. Look at this, it's all snapped off.
And we welded up inside in spiders. And you fucking I'll wipe it a little bit. You can see it fucking just clearly broke. It wasn't even the weld that broke, it was also the carrier itself.
Yeah, it's also the carrier. Well, it's all cast. That's why in theory you can't actually weld the diff.
Yeah, and like you see in there, like if we had a light, there's a pretty good chunk right down there. Like fuck. Right in that corner?
It's choked, bro.
Right inside the diff. That's fuck. And the fact that she still kept on going. You know, like that's
The gear face, the face of the actual gears look not bad.
yeah.
Like they're like still D's.
It sucks because these are decent fucking gear ratios. This is a 345.
Actually,
Yeah.
they're still good. You can pull them out.
And I can't put it in the fucking 8.8 though.
No fucking.
Which sucks because like this would be a primo fucking gear ratio.
Nice.
Okay guys, so I'll show you how I mounted the coilovers. As you can see, there's the bottom of the coilover. There's the bolt, the washer, and then I got another washer, our custom made spacer, and on the other end I got a washer and a nut. And that's what spaces the coilover away from the diff right there, so it doesn't rub on the diff. And then the only other problem I might be running into is that it might be, the spring might rub on the brake line, which it looks like it is. But then again, that side's not hung up, so it's swinging up. So we'll wait till both sides are hung up and then check for clearances and make sure that we're good. Because I believe that side will go up and this brake line will come away from the spring. So we'll actually have some clearance. It's the fucking update, which is like the shittiest part. Wow. Wow. Whoa.
Trying to lay some pipe, Ryan?
Okay, hey.